I'm Jennifer Campbell. I'm a licensed and certified genetic counselor here at CARTI. Genetic testing are the tools that genetic counselors use to find out if there could be an underlying cause to the cancers in someone's personal or family history. And so what we do in CARTI Genetics Clinic is we're looking for clues in a person's personal history, in their family history, see if we can investigate those clues to find the best genetic test for them, and then see if we can find that underlying cause to the cancers in their family. There are many different genetic tests out there. In genetics, we typically look at different panels of genes. You can think of a gene kind of like a recipe for your body to build proteins. And these genes have a role in protecting your body from developing cancer. So as we're looking at these genes, seeing if there's any differences in them, we can see if they could potentially cause an increased chance for different types of cancer. So we can hone in on the genes associated with the cancers in someone's family, whether that's breast cancer, colon cancer, melanoma. We can also do more broad panel testing. We can look at many genes at the same time if someone's interested in that. And what we do is we talk the patient through those options, and we can select the right test, but also keeping in mind the information that the patient wants as well. As a patient walks in, we talk to them about what their goals are in the session so that we can make sure that everyone's on the same page. We walk through the personal and family history. We draw a picture of their family tree, and then looking at that picture, we can look for patterns in the family. And then we talk through the genetic testing types of results you can get back. So you can get back actionable results. Sometimes we find out that everything is normal. There's no differences from what we would typically see in the population, but that doesn't fully rule out a genetic predisposition. We also talk about unclear results that you can get back from genetic testing. Sometimes there's not enough data to say whether or not a difference in our DNA is something that would impact your cancer risk or something that would just be typical. There's differences between you and me. So we would expect to see some of that. And then we talk about whether that would impact medical management. So only if we see something that is a positive, pathogenic, clinically actionable variant would that change medical management. But then we also take into account the person's family history and their personal factors. Sometimes that can also impact their medical management and their screening recommendations. I'm Jennifer Campbell. I'm a licensed and certified genetic counselor here at CARTI. For a referral, you can self-refer or ask your provider to refer you to our clinic. As well, if you don't want to schedule an appointment yet, but you want to learn more, come over to our Genetics and Risk Management Workshop in the Bridge. It happens every first Wednesday of the month at noon, and you can do that on Zoom or in person.